I don't know the answer, it's a paradigm. Then slowly I might be falling in love. I will never ever take you for granted. To have a meeting, you can say that you want it on the beat on the neck of Mera. But on your camera, I can tell you now. Come on, people, it's any night, it's all baby. I'm a fan of wedding, I'm a baby. Somebody's any night, it's all baby. Because you're pretty, pretty like a rose flower. Somebody's any night, it's all baby. I'm a fan of wedding, I'm a baby. Somebody's any night, it's all baby. Give me that move, give me that move. Somebody wanna move. Kalomulundi baby, I'm loving you, man. You loving you, man. To Sana, man, to me down. Kasinema, we come and back on you, man. Come back on you, man. To Sana, man, to me. And I'm going to see my family. Your Barbie girl, I would really want to be close to your Barbie girl. Your Barbie girl, woman, you got me sitting with everything you order. It's like you're not gonna really want down. Sitting with everything you order. That's all you it's like Shakira. It's like a comosina. Who go up para you, baby, I'm going. Oh, baby, you are I'm gonna take my time to spend the rest of my life with you. Then forget that tattoo on my neck. You put out the Somebody say you are a perfect love. Me and you is a perfect love. But I become one of the what's it? Yeah man, big up. So come kumugana nge dan flavor kalulu akamani. This is my brother. Natufote nembia music. Netude bali ono muganda wange byadala mwana. Twambale ngoize zimu tugabane ebyokulya. This is my bro. Also big up to Mr. Amoti. Omubalanguzi, I salute you. Omusajja akyasinze okutwagala n'atulera bulungi n'atuyigiriza industry. Ye promoter ye kabuchanga nyimbe ya kansa sule 12. The only one. Is that dope? Is that dope? Amoti, I love you and respect. But Charibange, lero mbadde just ndi fan naye ne gonkwata n'ensala otujaminge mu ffenna ndaba president wange waali, ndaba Sasha waali, ndaba mwenna we muli. Yeah man, I'm very excited. Ndaba tugenda mu maaso. Ndaba nga twatandika tulowooza. Wano okumitinga obu meetings n'okulaga omukwano gwe tulina eri industry yaffe nti twali tulowooza oba wanene. Nendaba watone wa mpola. Big up Eddy Kenzo, mumukubireko obungalo mumuyire Yeah man, I love you. Tuli kumulama gumu baguyita Uganda music industry must go forward. Tukoye abayimbi okubeera ku pressure. Abantu ne babeereyo nga balowooza twakola sente nyingi nga sente zaffe kampani endala zaazitwala nga sijja zimenya manya naye zeemanyera ziwulidde. Kampani nyingi zitu frustrating nga ne tumaliriza nga abantu batujaji nga abantu batusubiramu ebinene ng'ebinene ekituufu twabikola dda naye nga tusigadde emabega olwabo abatatwagaliza ate nga tukkirize nti industry yaffe mu Africa y'amaanyi kubanga it's the second most youth employing industry in the world besides construction one Uganda. So music must go on. Baba Gamba, nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae because reggae is strong. Nobody can stop. Bijja kwogeza amaanyi mangi balowooze nti busungu naye nga nalyo ssanyu kubanga tulina we tutuuse okusinziira we twakola ki. bwe twava gye twayita ne wano tetwasuubirayo. Olwaleero bayimbi bannaffe tulina omugenyi ow'ekitiibwa mu music industry yaffe. Munzikirize ali okumpi atagenda kuddamu kuwulira byenjogera ofuna omuvuunuzi kubanga mbadde njagala n'omugenyi waffe engeri gy'atategeera olulimi lwenjogera ntandika okwogera by'ategeera. First of all, I want to thank our President Eddy Kenzo for making sure we always go forward and stick to the mission. Please give my president a big hand clap for the love of our music industry. Ladies and gentlemen, for the most part, I've already said everything I have to say, but we have a very important guest tonight. She has traveled the world. She has worked with very big names around the world. I've been talking to her about so many things, but she is something we don't have in our music industry. In our music industry, we wait for the people in diaspora to turn into promoters and arrangers and take us and work with us, and we appreciate them so much. But as our industry keeps on growing, we need to go professional and we need to start to work with international booking agents. There is people that exist in music industries called booking agents. A booking agent can get you booked for bigger gigs, better venues, more diverse audiences, depending on your talent, depending on your hard work, depending on the success of your music, depending on your fan base. And even without those things, sometimes there is booking agents powerful enough to just discover talent that lacks to be seen all across the world. So, we got introduced to Nancy, I personally as Pallaso, and we had our conversation, and then I introduced this conversation on to our president, Eddy Kenzo, and then we invited Nancy. We've been talking for a long time, but we invited her, I talked to her into coming to see us in Uganda, and she already had the plan, and she has so many other friends from South America, from South Africa, from Ghana, that would love to work and create a relationship with us in our industry. But tonight, I am very privileged to say Nancy is in the building tonight, ladies and gentlemen. The first international booking agent in Uganda has decided to bless us tonight. I will not say so much about Nancy, but what I want to let you guys know is a booking agent is somebody that goes in between you to maybe introduce you to a different audience that you cannot reach by yourself, or that can grow you into an audience that's far away from you that you have reached already. Well, this is a connection. Ladies and gentlemen, as I introduce her, our booking international agent, please a big hand clap for Nancy. Please, Nancy, allow me to welcome you humbly, so you can please give one of few words to our artists. This is our federation. I've already told you so much about it. On this side is a lot of artists from all different regions of Uganda. On this side is all the people that believe in what we do and love to see it go forward. So please take the stand. Another round of applause for Nancy, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you for having me here, Eddy Kenzo and Pallaso.
Nababuulidde